Shots fired.
Got it? Hit him! Hit him! Where you hit? Where you hit?
This is exactly what happens when you get the wrong cops on the scene, starting with the most dumbest one, where an officer shot victim instead of suspect, and the suspect, who was armed with an AK-47, manages to escape in the process.
Hey, get off of him! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! He has a gun! Get off of him! He has an AK! He has an AK! Get off of him! Officers need help! Officer!
On December 28, 2024, two men were standing on the sidewalk when they were approached by a suspect, identified as a 54-year-old man, Kevin Doby, holding an AK-47 rifle. Kevin Doby attempted to rob the men at gunpoint, but two men charged him by throwing him to the ground, attempting to take control of the weapon. Both men were nearly taking control of the suspect until the LAPD arrived on the scene.
Yo, what the f is going on? Hey, get off of him! Let me get it back on. What you think? Go grab him. Hey, get off of him! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! He has a gun! Get off of him! He has an AK! He has an AK! Get off of him! Officers need help! Officer! What you doing? Hey, stop! Rifle! Shot fired! Shot fired! Shot fired! Where's you with the rifle? What the? Hey, get down! Get down!
He's shot!
Hey, he's shot! Officer needs help. What's the team down? What you with the rifle? Hey, shot! He has the rifle! Drop the rifle! Get over here!
Both of the victims were shot during the incident, and the suspect was arrested without any gunshot or bullet wounds. But this incident was nothing compared to the next one, where an officer fatally shot their partner.
I got him! He's hit! Get the f down!
On December 21, 2021, three police officers were chasing an armed suspect in the residential neighborhood of Bruton, where two officers were heavily injured in the shootout by police officer Kobe Moonroy.
I couldn't copy that traffic. Copy that. Suspect runs northbound. Shots fired.
I got him! He's hit! Get the f down!
47. 57. 44-7.
Get back! Oh, it's your hands!
19-7, my computer. All units not on scene, stay off of traffic.
I'm going to you, Christy.
46,
I got it.
northbound from 2133. East Bristol to
Where you at? Where you at?
My legs!
Okay.
My legs and my right ankle!
1813 for status.
Sir, get back!
Get back! Get in the house!
Where you at?
Open my...
Where at? Oh,
Right here.
hey, step in.
Right here, my leg.
Hey, step in.
1811 for status. Copy that. 1810, where
You good?
can somebody verify the location of the officer shot?
What's the address here? Are you hit?
What is the location of the officer?
Watch fire. You hit? Yeah. Get down.
In the leg and chest.
1810, are you?
Wait, no, Attorney, get right here! Don't move! Don't move!
Hey, hang him!
Got it?
Hit him! Hit him!
Where you hit?
Barnes, north of Connell, turn right on Connell, eastbound on Connell.
He's hit hard!
I got it.
Open it.
You got it?
Oh, shit.
You with me, buddy? You with me? Just keep
I got cuffs.
Just keep breathing.
Coming from.
Here.
Get him in my car. Let's go. Can I sit up?
All right, come on. Grab a leg.
Let's go. Roll it.
Keep hanging on, bro.
Yep, right there.
Fortunately, both of the officers survived the shootout and returned to work after a complete recovery. But see what happens when a sergeant found out that Officer Cody Monroe was the one who shot them.
I think one of my bullets hit Christy. I think my bullet hit Christy.
You fired at him?
Was that guy in there moving on the other side of the fence? He's right there. He backs up.
Don't stop talking.
It was obvious, but not, where an officer forcefully arrested a 73-year-old woman, breaking her arm and dislocating some of her bones in the process.
Quit!
On June 26, 2020, Karen Garner was stopped by a Walmart employee as she was leaving the Walmart without paying for items. Karen was suffering from sensory aphasia. Because of this, she couldn't understand words or speak. But when cops arrived to arrest her, they ended their own careers.
Stop. You just left Walmart. Do you need to be arrested right now? No. Okay. Let's stop. Come on. Come on.
I'm going home.
No, on the ground. Stay on the ground.
I'm going home. I'm going home.
On the ground. On the ground. On the ground. Stop! You don't get to act this way. Come on. Stay on the ground. Stop.
I'm going home.
No, you're not. Are you finished? Stop.
I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm going
Quit!
home. Ow!
Are you finished?
I'm going home.
Hey, stand up. We're not gonna hold you.
Alright, just go to the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
Moments later, a nearby citizen decided to speak up against the officer's use of force.
Quit! Quit!
What?
You have to use that much aggression.
What are you doing? Get out of here. This is not your business.
Sergeant.
However, it wasn't long until the officers made a mistake, one that would end their careers, when they were caught laughing in CCTV footage watching the body cam footage of the arrest.
Do you think she's born in 46? Mm-hmm. She's ancient. We're definitely playing. You're a lot of help. She's just very flexible and very. Just give her a talk. When I had her in the car when we first got there, and I was like, I'm gonna play. I was pushing at her. I was like,
Body cams are my favorite thing to watch. I watch live TV body cams all day.
so I'm like, I'm here.
Both officers were found guilty of intentionally using aggressive force, and they were sentenced to 5 years in prison.